Hello, in today's video I will show you that how you can activate your Microsoft Office. As you see here, if I open my Microsoft Word, I will see this error that Microsoft Office Activation Wizard. This copy of Microsoft Office is not activated. Now if I open Microsoft Excel, the same error is here. And if I open Microsoft PowerPoint, the same error is here also. To fix this problem, follow this video. First of all, open this PC. Now open local disk C. Now here you see program files 86. Open this and click on common files. Now open Microsoft Shared and open Office Software Protection Platform. Here you see OSPPREARM. Right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. This will ask you a question. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on Yes and close this window. Now open your Microsoft Word and you see here there is no more that unactivation wizard. Now if I open Microsoft Excel, there is no more that unactivation wizard. Same in PowerPoint. This is how you can activate your Microsoft Office. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe.